We are back 7:30 here on CBS Mornings. In today's Money Watch, new inflation numbers could influence the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates. Inflation, if you've been checking, it's remained high, but it is down sharply, at least from the peak back in June of 2022. And for many Americans, one expense that is still skyrocketing, insurance for everything from cars to home. Ling Kent is here with what you can do to lower your cost. I can confirm this one is real. These prices have been going up.
Exactly. You might already be feeling it because the price of insurance has gone up, and we've got more weather events happening in more densely populated areas of the country. And so insurance companies are passing on these rising costs to consumers everywhere.
Insurance agent Joy Sharp of North Carolina knows a thing or two about homeowners insurance. And still, she was stunned when she got her annual bill.
My policy was $1,800 and it renewed at $6,000.
What did you think when you saw that number?
I kind of thought it was a joke. I kind of thought, okay, this is crazy. The rates went up, but the coverage on my home did not increase very much.
Sharp is not alone. Inflation has pushed homeowners insurance rates up 11% in 2023 alone. Sharp says her clients are feeling the squeeze too.
They're really having a hard time making these payments.
The average insurance policy nationwide on a home with $300,000 in coverage is $2,230 a year, or $185 a month, depending on where you live. If rates were to go up another 11% this year, that would mean an extra $245 each year, or $20 a month. So why are rates climbing? Real estate company Redfin points to extreme weather and higher costs.
What is inflation doing to the cost of home insurance right now?
The cost of everything is going up. And that includes the cost of maintenance for homes, the cost of remodeling homes, and that goes into the equation for home insurance.
If your insurance premium has gone up, there are a few things you can do. Bundle your home and auto insurance for the best rate possible. Call around for additional quotes. And consider investing in weatherproofing your home, including stormproof windows, landscaping, and drains.
Instead of sending the money to the insurer, you can use it to harden your home and potentially get a lower premium in exchange for that.
Fortunately, Sharp negotiated her premium back to $2,400 and recommends if you're shopping around,
You have to check and make sure that they're not tricking you out of coverage that's very important.
So homeowners insurance is just one of the many things stretching budgets even further these days. And in terms of the big picture economics, it's Fed Day today. The Federal Reserve is expected to hold interest rates steady in an effort to kick this stubborn inflation and get it to come down further. But it has been stubborn and sticky, unwelcoming news for a lot of people who are looking to get into the housing market and buy a home.
Or remodel a home.
Exactly, or build a home,
And you got to have the home insurance because, God forbid, something happens, it comes in handy. But then it's frustrating because they seem to come up with all sorts of explanations about why they can't
when
pay.
something does happen.
After you've been giving all this money to the insurance company. I find that where you have to say, could I speak to a supervisor, please? Because it gets so frustrating.
It's so hard. Coverage is, you think it's one thing, and then oftentimes it's another. So you got to really read the fine print and shop around.
Oh my God, it's so long, though. But the other thing about insurance is it forces you to be a pessimist. You have to kind of bet on the bad thing, whereas I'm kind of an optimist. I don't think anything's going to happen, right? Most people's homes are fine all the time.
Yeah, usually. You're just paying for that peace of mind.
I know.
But they make their money on worry.
Yeah, they do. They make their money on worry, exactly.